Hi everyone, warm welcome you all friends. In today's video, we are going to discuss important MCQs of an Old English epic poem, Beowulf. Yes friends, the composer, the poet of this epic poem is unknown. We do not know the name of the poet who had composed this poetry, Beowulf. And we will cover important MCQs in this particular video of England Zone. So without any delay, let's move on to the questions of the Beowulf. With the first question of the video, who is the father of Shield Sheepshan? We have the option, and the correct answer is option D. Sheepshan was an orphan. Yes, friends, Sheepshan was description of Sheepshan was the in the prologue of the Beowulf. Beowulf के prologue में उसका description मिलता है. He was the king of the Danes. वो Danes का king होता है, and who is no more now. And next question we have about how long is the dragon? That was of 50 feet. Moving on to the next question, how long does Beowulf reign as the king of the Geats? We have the option and the correct answer 50 years. Yes, friends, Beowulf reigned over the kingdom of Geats for 50 years. The fourth question, Beowulf belongs to the kingdom of Geats. Option D is the correct answer. He belongs to the kingdom of Geats. Next we have, what is the name of the hall which belonged to the Horthanger which Grendel attacked? Option D is the correct answer, and that is Heorot Hall. Heorot Hall was the mead hall, and that was the prime place, what the main place where courtiers come for a feast and for to socialize each other, जहाँ पे लोग इकट्ठा होते थे, जो courtiers हुआ करते थे हॉर्थेंजर किंग के, वो हेरोथ हॉल जो मीड हॉल था वहाँ पे आकर के मिलते थे एंड फीस्ट वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ करती थी. That was place was attacked by the demon Grendel. Moving on to the next question, what is niggling in Beowulf? That was a sword. वो एक तलवार थी which was used by Beowulf in the epic poem Beowulf. When he attacked over Grendel, then that was the sword. वो वही तलवार थी और वो Beowulf उसको यूज करता था. That name was the Ningling. Next question of the video is, Beowulf was the of Geats king Heislac. We have the option, he was the nephew of the Geats king Heislac. Next question, how many warriors did Beowulf took along with him? We have the option 14. He took 14 warriors with him when he attacked over Grendel, and he went to the attacked over Grendel and his son. Next question, Grendel wreaked havoc on the Heorot Hall for how many years? We have the option, and the correct answer is 12 years. Grendel was ruled over, his tyranny was prevailed in the Heorot Hall over 12 years of span. 12 सालों तक वो उस हेरोथ हॉल पे कब्जा किए हुए था और वहाँ पे किसी तरीके के जो फीस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज होते थे वो नहीं होते थे बाय द किंगडम, बाय द courtier of the Horthanger. Next question, who was the only person who helped Beowulf attack the dragon? Answer is Wiglaf. Wiglaf was the person who helped Beowulf when he attacked the dragon. Who underestimates Beowulf in the Heorot Hall, stating that he will be defeated by Grendel? That person was Unferth. Unferth was the person who said this remark that he will be defeated by Grendel. But when Beowulf won, defeated that Grendel, then Unferth the person, he given his sword to Beowulf. Next question is, what gift was what gift did Horthanger gave to Beowulf? That was all there were. We have the option 8 horses, weapons and armor, and treasure, gifts, etc. He had given Beowulf, the king of the Danes, Horthanger, has given, because when he attacked, when he over the Grendel and his mother, and he defeated that the real kingdom of the Horthanger from their demons, then he was gifted with all kinds of pleasure and treasures and weapons and armor and 8 horses by the king of Horthanger. 13 we have, why can't the men kill Grendel? Answer we have, the weapons do not harm Grendel. That's why men wouldn't be able to kill Grendel. Next question, who is the successor of Beowulf? Answer is Wiglaf. Wiglaf is the successor of Beowulf in the epic poem Beowulf. Beowulf ruled over the kingdom of Geats over 50 years, and after his reign, Wiglaf was the person who was the successor of Beowulf because he helped him and he was very worthy patriot or worthy person to Beowulf. Next we have, from about when does the only existing Beowulf manuscript date? That was 1000 AD, 1000 AD. That was the manuscript जो अभी एग्जिस्ट करती है ओनली बियोल्फ की जो मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट है वो 1000 एडी की है, मीन्स 1000वीं ईस्वी की है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव, व्हाई डज ग्रैंडेल अटैक ह्यूरोथ? He hates the sound of the joy and music. That's why he attacked that place, because Heroth Hall was the place where feast and organized, where the amusing enjoyments of the courtiers were organized. That's why he hates the sound and music of the that place. That's why he attacked over Heroth. Next we have, to which biblical character is Grendel compared? That was Cain. Cain was the character in the Bible and Grendel was compared to that creature, that character of the Bible. Question number 18, how does Horthanger know about Beowulf? Horthanger was the friend of Beowulf's father. That's why he came to be known as the Beowulf. That next question we have, Beowulf kills Grendel's mother by, we have option and the correct answer is cutting her head off. Beowulf cutted the head of Grendel's mother off. In this way, he killed Grendel's mother. This is the last question of the video. Which of the following is the trait of an epic hero? We have the option of noble birth, traits reflect stoical ideas, perform deeds requiring great courage and strength. So all the above options are true. These all are the traits of an epic hero. So friends, this was all we had discussed important MCQs of the Beowulf, an epic poem, in this particular video. Please stay connected with English Zone for most important videos and MCQs questions of English literature here at English Zone. Thank you very much for watching this.